So we've got all this clamped on at the moment, just testing it out, make sure it's all good. Beautiful. Nice and square. Now I've just got to draw and tap some holes. Did notice one little mistake. These holes here should have been a little bit higher. Won't matter, they'll still get drilled and they'll still be able to tap okay, but they should have been higher. And there we go, all bolted on. Couple of things left to do. Got to trim these off top and bottom and fit the ball screw. And this was what I didn't want. I'll have to remember to move these up a bit sometime. Worked out pretty good though. Very, very close to finished. So there we go, ball screw all fitted. Just need to make a spacer up for the end here. And these little bits to space the motor out. I've got to probably redo those though, they're just not quite right. In hindsight, I should have probably left this a bit longer and then just put a plate on the end for the motor, but never mind. This will still work good. I've got the other one for the other axis ready to go. I just need to put a plate over that too. I've already made a plate for this one, but I can't find it. I don't know where I put it. So I might just have to make another one. What are you getting there though?